Welcome to English with Miss Tia. In this video, we are going to learn about procedure texts. Hello everyone, welcome to cooking class with Miss Amy. Now we are going to learn how to make fried rice. The ingredients are a plate of white rice, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves of onions, 3 cloves of garlic, chili, 2 spoonfuls of cooking oil, 2 spoonfuls of tomato sauce, and 1 spoonful of soy sauce. The tools that we need are a frying pan, a stove, a spoon, a spatula, a plate, and a knife. Steps. First, prepare a frying pan and pour the cooking oil on it. Second, heat the frying pan in a medium heat. After the cooking oil is hot, put the sliced garlic, onion, and chili. Next, stir all the materials until ripe and fragrant. Put eggs and scramble until cooked. Put the white rice and stir until mixed with all the ingredients. Add tomato sauce, pepper, and salt until all materials are blended. After everything on the frying pan was fragrant, serve into the plate. This is the recipe on how to make fried rice. You can try it at home. See you! In the previous monologue, we can see that Chef Amy is doing a recipe on how to make fried rice. Now, what about you? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook your own favorite food based on the recipe? Apakah kalian suka memasak? Apakah kalian suka memasak berdasarkan resep? Food recipe is an example of procedure text. Resep memasak merupakan salah satu contoh dari teks prosedur. What is procedure text? We are going to see in the following explanation. Procedure text is a text that tells us how to do or how to make something. Teks prosedur adalah teks yang memberikan instruksi tentang bagaimana cara melakukan sesuatu atau membuat sesuatu. As in the previous monologue, Miss Amy tells us how to make fried rice in a sequence of steps that we can follow. Dalam monolog tadi, Chef Amy memberikan gambaran kepada kita bagaimana cara membuat nasi goreng dengan langkah-langkah yang sesuai. There are some kinds of procedure texts. The first is food or drink recipe. For example, how to make fried rice, how to make lemon juice. Second, manuals. The example of manuals is how to use a machine. Kita biasa menemukan manual atau buku manual di beberapa benda elektronik yang kita beli, seperti HP, mesin, dan sebagainya. Third, tutorials. The example is the tutorials on how to play an online game. Kita bisa menemukan banyak tutorial di sekitar kita, misalnya bagaimana cara memainkan sebuah game online. And the last kind of procedure text is called tips. For example, tips to ride safely. Ada satu jenis teks prosedur yang disebut sebagai tips, misalnya tips berkendara dengan aman. What is the purpose of procedure text? The purpose of procedure text is to explain or to tell people how to operate, make, or do something through a sequence of actions or steps. Tujuan dari teks prosedur adalah untuk menjelaskan bagaimana membuat, atau bagaimana menggunakan, atau bagaimana melakukan sesuatu menggunakan langkah-langkah yang berurutan. The generic structure of procedure text. First, we have go. For example, how to make fried rice. Second, we have materials or ingredients. And in the previous recipe, we can see that the chef Amy also tells us about the utensils or the tools. And the last part of procedure text is called steps or methods. The second part of the procedure text, called materials or ingredients, and sometimes followed by utensils or tools, it is optional. Untuk bahan-bahan atau peralatan yang dipergunakan tidak wajib ada pada beberapa jenis teks prosedur. Of course, in some food or drink recipe, we need the materials or the ingredients, but for some other kinds of procedure text, we can just omit this part. Now we will learn the language features of procedure texts. The first, we have imperative sentence. As we can see in the example of the food recipe, we can see that Miss Amy always used imperative sentence, verb 1 followed by object. Di semua langkah-langkah dalam teks prosedur selalu menggunakan kalimat perintah, berisi instruksi untuk melakukan atau membuat sesuatu untuk kita ikuti. The second, it uses action verbs. For example, we can use peel, stir, mix, boil, cut, plug in, etc. Kita menggunakan kata kerja untuk menjelaskan langkah-langkah dalam melakukan atau membuat sesuatu. The third, to connect the action verbs in the steps, we use connectives. For example, we use firstly, secondly, next, after that, finally, etc. Kata penghubung digunakan untuk menghubungkan langkah satu ke langkah berikutnya. And the fourth, we use adverbs. There are two kinds of adverbs that is usually used in procedure text. First is adverb of time. For example, fry it for 10 minutes. The word for 10 minutes here is to tell how long we should fry the food. The second, we usually use adverbs of manner. For example, pour the flour slowly. Stir the mixture quickly. That's all the materials of the procedure text. If you have any question, you can write in the comment. Thank you and see you on the next video.